Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful weekend and I hope you are banking very good pips today. Today was an amazing volatility, blessing Monday, first trading day of the week, and most of my traders are still banking amazing pips today guys. Let me share with you how I analyzed this morning and help my traders to squeeze amazing profit. And if you would like to see all that analysis in real time instead of review, feel free to join my fast growing traded community, and more information is available at the video description. So let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did today this morning. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair, Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. Okay, so Euro USD, if you look at the 4-hour chart, we are short from last week. If you haven't seen my last week analysis review, video link is given in the video description. Even Friday we were short here. Even today I said to my trader, guys, we have a very strong bearish momentum and trend, so we are looking towards this direction, all trades. If you look at my analysis at the market open, and this was the analysis, this was a pretty straightforward, as you can see here, breakout trade, beautiful breakout. After the breakout, as always, pullback, momentum was bearish. So once we banked some profit this morning, I did another analysis for my traders, guys, look for another pullback. So that's why we're expecting a pullback. We're only looking along if the price is going to break the recent high and retest, otherwise keep taking a pullback. So you can see here 1 2 3 pullback, beautiful. And afterwards, again, trader was expecting, sir, I think it's gonna come back. I said, like, guys, if the price does not break this one, and break this one, short trade here. You can see here, beautiful breakout short trade here. As soon as the price hit to the support level, explain my traders, time to enjoy some profit. You can see, guys, how we analyze the market in 4-hour, how we analyze in intraday. Cable, pound dollar, amazing trade from last week. We've been enjoying short trade here. This morning we were looking this pullback at this level. Let me share with you the intraday analysis. Okay, so that's what I mentioned to my trader, guys. We're all looking at pullback. Any pullback would consider a high probability trade because the momentum is bearish. You can see here, that's beautiful pullback. There's another one pullback. That's why we our first priority bank some beautiful pips. Price reverse again, as you can see here, said to my trader, look for this breakout. You can see here, price nicely broken this wedge. After the breakout, price retested again. And I also mentioned this analysis. So if you missed this one, should not miss this one. So that I updated that analysis instantly. As you can see here, that was the beautiful breakout. Price nicely broken. Momentum was bearish. We have a very strong bearish engulfing candle that give us the good sign. Said to my trader, just keep taking a pullback. One pullback, second pullback, third pullback, and all pullback has a valid. You can see here, broken recent pullback. This one, another one, you can see here, beautiful pullback. As soon as the price hit to the previous low level, as you can see here in 4-hour, our daily support level, that's what I explained my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. You can see, guys, how we manage amazing profit this morning. Dollar CAD, our bias is long, guys. The whole month we are expecting a bullish on dollar CAD. We've been long from last week, and this today we were long as well. As I said to my trader, look for this. If you look here, guys, the price respected this level, broken, and expecting another pullback. So we have long from at the market open. Let me share with you the intraday analysis. This is the analysis I explained to my trader, look for another. You can see here, this is the breakout. Beautiful at the market open. You can see here, price explain my look for pullback here. You can see here, price nicely developed pullback, broken this pattern, beautiful long trade here. And in the morning, I also mentioned look for another pullback here, which, as you can see here, that was the analysis. Beautiful pullback, price developed double bottom here at the support level. Momentum is bullish, bias is bullish, beautiful pullback, another one pullback. You can see here, today traded bank amazing profit, guys, today. As you can see, guys, how we analyze in 4-hour, how we analyze in intraday, and banking pips every single day. I hope, guys, you enjoy all this analysis. But as always mentioned, you should be watching those analyses in real time. That's the interesting part of it. And banking profit, that's the amazing part of it. So even if you are struggling in forex trading, this is a platform where I train and coach my trader with the live market every single day. And once they develop their trading skill and produce consistency result, I help them to get funded. So if you are interested how I coach and train my trader with the live market, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description, and the places are very limited. So most welcome guys, join my fast growing trader community, and thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.